Ambot. Di po ka mahadlok ka na iya?
Yaya!
Mama!
Mama! You know I just watched this 2 times. Literally, crocodile or alligator inside a YouTuber's house. And
Sus,
also
mag-ilis
one
dito
time,
tubig.
I saw it. Then it was a alligator Mama, it's supposed to be the pond. It's my first time seeing a big thing in our house. Mama,
Medyo kayo matabang di ay.
wait! Where did that come from? Where did that come from? Mama, look.
Ya, yatag ng JP.
Don't give that to me. Mama, where did that come from? You know alligators and lizards and crocodiles live in a pond, right? But not in... Does somebody has a pet crocodile or lizard here?
Nag-drain sa tubig, kay kalibangan man sa halo. Na mula resulta, nakalibang magulang halo, din ako gawa ng tubig, drain, giisan ang waterfall og tubig.